there will be 15 arrows here. This is 15. So this is the image. This is arrow. So 15 of these. Okay. Before we draw any arrow, we first need to go to the center. That's why I need to go to 0, 0. I don't want to generate any line as I go to the center. So that is pen up there. The center 0, 0 is approximately right here. This is 0, 0. Okay. And then I draw a line. So in this case, this is invisible line, 40. Invisible, 40. And then I turn the turtle 120 degrees to start drawing. At this point here, the turtle is like this, but I'm gonna draw this line here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn the turtle like this, and that's gonna be 120 degrees. We have line 9 here. So we can start drawing now. I have my pen down, and then the first line in the arrow is red, and the length of the line in the arrow is 70 degrees. I mean 70. So this line here, this is length 70, and this is color red. Okay, once I have drawn this line here, my turtle is directed like that. So I have to turn the turtle like this. I have to turn the turtle line number 13, 120 degrees. And then I will draw the second line here. The second line is also 70 units, line 14. So this is length 70. And then at this point, the direction of the turtle is like this. And since this is the line I'm drawing next, I have to turn the turtle to the right like this. It is 30 degrees, line 15. This is 30 degrees. And then I draw the next line, which is 200 pixels in length. So this is 200 pixels in length. Incidentally, all the lines have been red. You will change the color now. At this point, the direction of the turtle is like this. So I want it to turn like that. And that's gonna be 150 degrees. And then I draw this line here, which is blue. Okay. The length of that is 70, the same as the length of 70 here, the same as the length as 70 here, line number 12. And then I will draw the next blue line. First, I have to turn the turtle like this, and that angle is okay. We're done with the blue here, the 70, and then this is 120 degrees. And then I draw the line 21, line 21. The length of that is 70 again. So even this one is length 70. And then we're now here. Okay, at this point, I have to turn the turtle 150 degrees so that I can draw this fourth line here. And the length again is 200. And finally, yes, the 200 here is actually green. We are done with the first arrow here, and then we are about to start with the second arrow. Um, the final position of the turtle is, for example, right here, and then this is the green. For example, this is the green side, which is 200. What I need to do is since this direction here is the same as this, since this direction here is the same as this direction here, this is the last direction of the turtle, I have to turn left the turtle to start drawing the second arrow. Incidentally, this is 150 degrees. Okay, this is 150 degrees. And the second turtle needs to be drawn like this. This is 24 degrees. So what we need to do is turn the turtle from this orientation to this orientation, and this is actually 150 minus 24, which is equal to 126. This is line 25. Okay, and this is the generated image.